Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off two-factor authentication Facebook Android. We start by opening Facebook on our mobile and entering our profile, then click on the drop-down menu and then on the Settings and Privacy icon. After that, click on Account Center and then on Password and Security. Now we will click on Two-Factor Authentication and then on the account to configure. After this, we click on the current two-factor authentication option, in this case text message. After that, we will see a switch where we can deactivate this security method. Finally, we will confirm the process with turn off. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.